Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you're a new subscriber here, thank you so much for clicking on this video. In today's video, as you can see from the title, we're going to be talking about 10 biggest fashion mistakes ruining your style. If you've been having a hard time getting dressed and looking great in your outfit, it's probably because you're making one of these mistakes. But don't worry, I've got you covered. In this video, we are going to identify and see how we can avoid those mistakes. So if you want to level up your style game, this is the video for you. Enough talking, let's get into this video. The first mistake is not knowing or having a personal style. Now, having a personal style helps you identify the kind of clothes you like, hereby making shopping more easy. It helps you choose the kind of clothes and fashion items that resonate with your personality and your lifestyle. It also makes dressing up more fun and easy because you already have an overall idea of what you like. And most importantly, it helps you dress like you and not someone else. If you've been having a hard time trying to put outfits together or shopping has become a hassle, probably because you haven't found your personal style or you do not know what your personal style is. So this is something you have to know because this is a very huge fashion mistake you need to avoid. I'm going to be making a video about how to find your personal style in the future, so stay tuned for that. The second mistake is focusing on buying trendy pieces and following every trend. Now, we all know that trends do not last. Trend comes and go. So if you have a wardrobe full of trendy items, that means you're investing in pieces that would not last. So you have to be shopping every time to keep replacing the old trends, which is not healthy and it's not even sustainable. Rather than just buying trendy clothes, invest in timeless pieces that will never go out of style, and also versatile pieces that you can create multiple outfits from. Just a disclaimer, I'm not saying you can't wear trendy pieces. If you find a particular trend that you like, you can incorporate it into your personal style in a way that suits you best. But the point is, do not feel the need to always follow every trend. For instance, if the bubble skirt that has been on trend this summer, it's not your thing, you can skip that trend. The next fashion mistake is having a cluttered closet. If you have a cluttered closet, it's going to be very difficult for you to find things when you need them. So this is a very huge mistake. According to one poll survey, she said 61% of women who have a hard time finding anything in their closet end up buying new clothes. And this is very true because let's say, for example, you want to use your black belt and you can't find it because your closet is cluttered. Your brain might just help you think that, okay, you don't have a black belt, and you will just go out and get another black belt. Now you have two black belts. These things happen. Make sure your closet is always organized and cluttered free because this is going to save you a lot of time and money. The next fashion mistake is convincing yourself to buy something you do not love. I see a lot of people make this mistake, and I myself used to make that mistake before in the past. Like right now, I have clothes, bags and shoes that I do not wear. Even when I try to put this outfit together, it still doesn't make sense to me. Like, it doesn't feel good because I do not like them. Stop convincing yourself to buy something you do not love. If you try on something for the first time and you don't love it, chances are you're never going to love it later. It's not like a relationship that you tend to build up for the other person over time. No, clothes are not like that. Pay attention to yourself when you go shopping. The first few seconds you try something on, what's the initial feeling you get? Do you love it? Or do you want to buy it because you don't have what to wear? Or you're trying to convince yourself that you like it enough to buy it? This is a huge fashion mistake you shouldn't make because you're going to regret it. Just a little favor, if you made it to this point and you're enjoying the video so far, please like, subscribe, share so that other beautiful ladies like you can find this video and learn from it as well. Don't forget to leave a comment below. Thank you. Let's get back into the video. The next mistake is focusing on quantity over quality. Thinking more is more. It's a huge fashion mistake. Quantity doesn't equal quality. I used to have like 3 big Ghana must go full of clothes, but every time I have an important occasion to go, I can't find one single quality clothes to wear because I was just focusing on having a lot of clothes instead of prioritizing quality. Fabrics matter. Cheap fabrics will always look unflattering and wear out quickly. It's better to have fewer high quality pieces than having a closet of poorly made clothes. For instance, a good quality cotton shirt would always look better and last longer than a polyester one. The next fashion mistake is buying the brand and not the item. This is a very common mistake I see a lot of people make. Most people will go and buy designer bags even when they don't like the design, just because they want to be seen in the society as people that have money, or sometimes it's just out of peer pressure. This is a very huge mistake you shouldn't make because the disadvantage of this is you're going to have a lot of items that you have no idea how to put together, and you're going to have a wardrobe full of clothes that you do not like. Always buy things because you love them and you need them, and also shop from brands you like, whether they're high street brands or not. You know why you like them. Avoid this fashion mistake. The next mistake is wearing the wrong shoes with the wrong clothes. Shoes can either make or break your outfit. We always have to remember that. Wearing wrong shoes with the wrong clothes can completely throw off your style or just make you look funny. Let's take for example, imagine wearing a sneakers with a formal dress. Think about it, how's that going to look like? Always choose shoes that complement the clothes you're wearing. Do not make this fashion mistake. The next mistake is dressing for the wrong occasion. Imagine wearing casual clothes to a formal event. For example, you got invited for a wedding and you're wearing jeans and t-shirt, or overdressing for a casual event. You got invited for a picnic, you're wearing tailored suits. This is a very huge fashion mistake you should avoid. It ruins your style totally. Always consider the occasion. If you're going for a wedding, wear something that is appropriate for a wedding. If you're invited for a casual event like a picnic, wear something that is appropriate for a picnic. The next mistake is wearing too many patterns together. If you're wearing polka dots, you're wearing leopard skin, you're wearing stripe, it's going to make your entire appearance look chaotic. Mixing so many patterns together overwhelms your entire look. Stick to one statement pattern and keep the rest of your outfit simple. For instance, if you're wearing a leopard print skirt, pair it with a solid plain top and just keep it simple. Less is more. The most important mistake of all is forgetting the importance of confidence. No matter what you wear, if you're not confident, it will show. I've seen a lot of celebrities wear outfit that does not even make sense to the red carpet, but you see how confident and how bold they always look. Even if you're wearing the worst outfit, own your look, walk tall, wear your outfit with pride. Confidence is the ultimate accessory. Always remember that fashion is about expressing yourself and feeling good. If you're able to avoid these mistakes, you'll be on your way to looking stylish every day. Don't forget to share your own fashion mistakes in the comments below. Let's learn and grow together. If you haven't watched my video on 10 surprising things that cheapens your appearance, and also the 7 top essential accessories every woman needs in her wardrobe, then please check it out after this video. I'm going to drop a link in the description below. If you enjoyed this video and you found it very helpful, make sure to like, subscribe for more fashion tips and tricks. Thank you so much for watching this video, but I'll see you in these other 2 videos next.